Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your background on Google Meet. If you'd like to make your video calls on your Google Meet application more fun, you can easily change your background or use any other effects in your Google Meet application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your Meet application from your app drawer, and once you're in, go ahead and join in a meeting or simply tap on the New Meeting button to start a new meeting. From the pop-up at the bottom of the screen, let me tap on Start an Instant Meeting for today's video. Now from this page, you can go ahead and share your meeting invite link to your contacts who you'd want to join in a meeting with. In order to change your background, you can go ahead and tap on the human icon right where your camera screen is displayed on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that there is an option at the bottom where it says background. Simply select the type that you'd like to add. Select an attractive background of your choice by simply tapping on the options displayed at the bottom, and there you go. That is how you'll be able to change your background on Google Meet. After you're done with your meeting, simply tap on the End Call button in red at the bottom left corner, and there you go. Remember that background effects may increase your battery usage, so you may want to turn the effects off if your battery is low. That is how you'll be able to change your background during a video call on Google Meet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.